Hello everyone, this time I will teach you how to display the information panel when a 3D object is touched. Open your Meta Spark Studio. I will use the World Object template for preview. Turn off spinning on the looping block object. Now import your 3D models, or you can get it from AR library. The AR library provides various kinds of 3D objects that you can get for free. Click Import to download the model. Drag the 3D model to drag here object. Change the scale size of the object. Remove default object from SparkArt. Delete object deleting. Prepare the information image that you have created and export it to JPG or PG format. Drag the image to the Assets tab to import. And then, create a plane object to create an information panel. Set the scale size of the plane object. Now create a new materials by clicking the plus button. Rename the materials to Info Panel. And then, find the information image to make a texture. Rename the plane object to information panel. My T-Rex model has animation, so I will make an animation playback to animate. Now, we create a 3D object touch interaction to display the information panel. Go to the View tab and select Show Patch Editor. First, you need to drag the 3D model into the patch editor. Then right-click on the patch editor and look for Object tab. Right-click again and find Switch. Now select the information panel and make it invisible. And click the arrow to the left of the visible text. Now connect each patch function and follow my instructions. And let's test it first. Okay, it's worked. Now, we try to send a test for Instagram filters. Check your Instagram notifications to test the filter. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.